Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So I thought I would give you a little quick update going through the greenhouse this afternoon. Guys, I've been down with this horrible cold, so that's why the videos have been few and far in between, but I have been successful in getting some of the work done going around the greenhouse, as you can see. And then I'm just in the midst of taking apart a trellis and then getting the roses and everything ready. But here's something fun for you guys that I wanted to show you. So I haven't had an opportunity to show you that everything in here is sort of leafed out. Now that it's warm in here, you can take a look and you can see I've got plum blossoms. So these were the plum trees that I showed you only just probably a couple of days ago. And it's been 43-degree heat in here. Take a look at that. I've got a few cabbage butterflies that I have to get to in here, but these smell amazing. Isn't that crazy? So outside it's still really chilly. I'm still not able to run the hose really technically. If I forget and leave it out overnight, we're in big trouble. But you can see here, the plum tree is really, this one anyways, is really doing its thing. This one is a little bit behind. It's starting to send out the shoots, but I don't have as much flowers as this one, obviously. Isn't that amazing? Just to give you a visual on how hot it is in here. So it's 43.9 degrees Celsius. I don't have my converter for Fahrenheit, but that is pretty warm. I made the mistake of actually coming in the greenhouse with a jacket on, but that's, as you can hear in my voice, that's because I'm really sick. But I did want to make sure that you guys at least got to see, listen to me, I can't even talk, the little bit of progress that I have done in the greenhouse. We take a look over here. You can see all the green onions now that have come up. So these are ready to cut and ready to use. If you do end up having walking onions and you cut them down, they will grow and still give you that bulb at the end of the season. And then when we take a look here, just above there, this is my crabapple tree. So my crabapple tree is leafed out beautifully. And now we're just pretty much hoping she's gonna get taller, eventually give me some blossoms. The winds are howling outside and it's cold, but man, is it ever warm in here. Just walk you on through here. So I've been prepping the dirt in here, digging out a lot of the weeds. What happens is this side of the greenhouse gets damp from the snow coming up underneath. So what I do is I try to dig that out because sometimes there's a lot of weeds on this side of the greenhouse. So you can see I kind of have it dug out and I've been weeding, taking out grass and getting that ready. And then I have cut down a lot of the rose bush, but now we've got, our buds are starting to come out on that. So that is doing amazing. I still have to trim a lot of the roses here. But you can see now it's starting to leaf out a little bit in a lot of areas. And then the only thing left that I have to do now is just finish this side of the greenhouse and take down all of this, you know, what I consider clutter and mess, and clean off my, just my paneling here. And really, in a couple of weeks, we are ready to plant in here. So I just wanted to kind of give you a quick video today to show you some of the progress that's happening here in the greenhouse. This is not something, when you're looking at clearing this out and getting it ready, something you have to do in sections, because I'm a one-person show in terms of making this greenhouse run for planting and seeding and all of that. So it takes me a little bit of time to make sure that I've got everything the way that I want it to. And so now I'm sort of down to the very last section of this greenhouse, and that will be all cleared out most likely by the end of this week. And then we'll prep the dirt on this side and get it ready for all the tomatoes that we have. Okay, guys, that's it for me. It was probably about a 2-minute update, but that's all I have time today for. But I really, really just wanted to show you the plum tree and just show you how amazing it is that everything sort of is ahead of time in a greenhouse. I don't think we'll get any fruit off of this year, but it still is amazing to see it all blooming. See you soon.